Hey guys, how are you? So today I just got my regular Boxy charm. Today. Yeah, it is a little bit big because I kind of know why. Just because my pick, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Alright, so those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Patty. I just started this journey just a few months ago, and I'm just really excited about doing this. Just showing you guys what I've got, what I've done, what I'm doing. And I think starting today, I am just starting new content as well, not just makeup. Even though like today, other than those like little workout clips that I've shown you guys like what I'm going to do, I've been doing that workout program for quite some time, just because of my work schedule. So I'm just really excited about it. So today, not only am I doing this workout videos, I'm going to be showing you guys my Boxy charm, and I'll be doing this palette today as well. So watch out for this video. If you guys like me or like this video, give me that big thumbs up going on there. And not only that, subscribe, hit that bell button as well. I really appreciate you guys doing that for me. So let's get rolling into the Boxy charm. So yeah, I had to actually, I really needed a shower. I got this box, and oh my gosh, and I'm like struggling. Maybe it's just because I'm so excited. So I got this box. I hadn't showered yet, and I was like, okay, well, I gotta like get this. I gotta get clean. Because I was still in my sweat clothes and I was just so sweaty and grungy. So yeah, I had to take care of myself for a second. So I sat this over at my little workstation here, and I guess it just had to wait for me to get myself together. But here is my box. Has a little bubble wrap going on. Did I not get a card? I really didn't get a card. What's going on with the life here? So I guess I don't get a card in this month. That's kind of upsetting. Like, why would they do that? Okay, whatever. Okay, so here's the first thing I grabbed from Ciate, London, Everyday Vacay. Really cute packaging. It has like the rose gold like thing, and then the box is like a pink. It's a setting powder. I feel like I've gotten a few setting powders in my life already. So this is really cute. It has a little bow. You guys can see my phone here. So setting powder. And oh, it doesn't even have, oh, maybe it does have a seal. Yeah. What do you do? How do you do this? I don't know. I'll figure it out. So I'm excited to try a new setting powder. I've gotten, I mean, I already have like a couple already, so I'm really excited to try that. And here is another one. This is Laura Geller, New York. It looks like a highlight. Oh, Baked Gelato Swirl Eliminator. So look at that. That's interesting looking. It's like a gold. I like the swirls. It kind of reminds me of like a cinnamon roll. Okay, so you can barely see it on here, but it goes on nicely. Like, I like it. I'm excited to try that. This actually, I feel like this box actually gravitates to me more. I mean, I like the premium box that I got this month. It's just, it didn't really, I don't know. It didn't really excite me. So here is my next thing. It is the Luxie Complete Sponge Set Bake Contour Delay or Detail. So it gives me 3 sponges. I like sponges. They feel interesting. It's hard to explain on how these feel, but they feel nice, I guess. I like it. Alright. So, yeah, these are really nice. I like the packaging of it. Like, it has like the 3 little slots in it, so it's really nice. I like that. Oh. Alright, so the last one is Evio Skin Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. So, as many videos that I do on a daily basis, I feel like I always need wipes for, like makeup wipes. I literally have 3 over here, 1 that's already open, and then 2 I just got not too long ago, which is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cleansing Towels. You guys, if you guys need wipes, I would recommend that. Just because, 1, they smell really nice. I like them. And then 2, they're soft and they're not really rough. You know how some of the cleansing wipes, they're really rough? I would seriously get this. Especially if your skin is so dry in the wintertime, it hydrates your skin. Like, and it comes with 25 pre-moistened towelettes. So get this. Well, usually oops, my bad. Usually I always get the 2 package just because, like I said, I go through a lot of these. So I think each payday or something, I end up getting like a 2-pack of wipes. So yeah, and then, but I mean, of course, at one point I didn't have any and I needed one and I didn't have a lot of money, so I figured, oh, I'll just get 1 pack and when I get paid, I'll get the next. But seriously, those are the bomb.com. All right, so I went through this box quite quickly. I'm really upset that I didn't get a card though. This month's thing is like, it's called the door, so yeah. I'm just really upset that I didn't get my card. Alright, my next box, or my last thing, my last item, my last prize is the Iconic London. This is my pick that I had, of course, picked out for my box. It's the Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. So, I'm excited to try this. Ooh. They're so pretty. So it has a mirror. But look at these shadows. Aren't they freaking gorgeous? I love like the neutrals, and then it adds a little pop of color. And I'm like, oh. You can make so many looks on that. So many looks. Alright, so I'm gonna get my handy dandy wipes going on. And there we go. So I'm gonna do all the colors, of course, because I mean, this is like the only eyeshadow thing that I got. So I'm gonna go with the first row, They're so soft. It looks like there might be some fallout, but I mean, it happens. All right, y'all. Here is my first row in the nude, which is like this, you can barely tell. Champagne chic, which you can still barely tell. 24K gold, which is this really gorgeous gold color, and a matte brown that doesn't seem like it has a lot of stuff. Man, I'm really upset about like it raining. Today and tomorrow are my only days off, and I'm just really upset about it. All right. The second row. I'm going to try these on too, just so you guys know. Yeah, there's some like fallout going on. VIP Vibes, which is like this shimmer champagne color. A lot of these colors are really light. Here's this one, which is Copper Me Fancy. That's a cute name. Ultimate Tan, which is a matte, and you can barely tell with that color too. Closing Party. Which is a really pretty color. I like that. Like, it's hard to explain what that color is. It has like a brown to it, but also is like, it has a little bit of like pink in it, a little. It does have like some fallout. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, my third row. Some of these mattes seem like really light shades, but I hope you guys can see it. Ooh. All right. Bronze Bay. Ooh, I like this shimmer. Or that metallic. That's pretty. Here is Top to Top. I'm not a big fan of all these mattes. I don't know why. Merlot Mondays. And then Velvet Crush. Ooh, I like that color. Oh man, I'm going to be excited to try that. Alright, so the next two, I'm going to switch my other arm. Alright, this is Peaches and Dream. It's going to be a really light color. Peach Fizz. It's a really cute color. Alright, so Peaches and Dreams is right there, which you can barely even see. Sorry, you guys. Ugh.